friends, welcome to our channel. Today we've got two new study lamps for review. These are from a company called Thunlit. Thunlit has been kind enough to send us these two different types of lamps for unboxing and review. So we will open both of them today for you and show you how they look and how they work. So let's start with the small one. As you can see on the box, this is a rechargeable lamp and is white in color. There are different colors which are available. You can check it on the Thunlit website. The model number of this particular lamp is Q52. There are different sizes also available. You can see we've got this one. It's a LED lamp. It can be used as a mobile phone bracket as well. It has inbuilt rechargeable battery and you can put it anywhere. You can use it anywhere you want. It has a 3-speed touch switch. So the switch is based on touch and long press to adjust the brightness. So you can even adjust the brightness of this lamp. You can see all the instructions for use are given here, and the box is a pretty simple box, and you can see in fact there is no branding also on the box, which is actually cool because the box is going to be thrown away after I open the product. So let's see what the product looks like. So inside the box you can see there is this lamp. It is folded in a particular manner to fit into the box. There is a charging cable and there is this instruction manual which shows all the features, how to use, the usage instructions and also the warranty card. So which is cool. Now let's look at the lamp per se. So the lamp, you can see that the lamp cable is flexible. You can move it in any direction that you want and adjust it according to your usage. You can use it in different forms and I'll just show you, but it's very flexible, very sturdy. Here's the name of the brand. You can see here the name of the brand is Thunlit. It's an international brand. This is the switch here to switch it on, and this is the charging port. As you can see, the whole lamp has been designed in the form of a clip, so it can hold any surface and then you can position the lamp to focus light on the surface that you want. So let's try and switch on the lamp. So in order to switch it on, we first have to switch it on from here, and then there is this touch button here. The moment you touch it, there you see, the moment you touch it, you see there are 3 different modes here. The first mode is a yellow light. You can probably see it better now. So you see this is a yellow light. I touch it again and becomes a white light, and the third time I touch it, it's a combination of yellow and white. So it's very cool that way, is that you can change the color of the light that your eyes find suitable to. And you see when I do a long press, you can adjust the brightness of the LEDs as well. So you want it to be very bright, you want it to be less bright. The brightness can be controlled by a long touch. It's just a touch. How cool is that? So now let's look at the utility of this lamp. As I said, you can use it in different places. So at the bottom you see you can even hang it on the wall on a nail. You can even use it on a wall, hang it on a nail, and it can become like a wall mounted light for you. It can be put on the table like this and focused on a particular place. It can be attached to an edge like this, and then again you can focus the light wherever you want. You can even use it as a vlogging light for your vlogs. So this is a multi-purpose light and I think it looks really cool. Now let's look at the other light. So this is the second lamp. As you can see, this is also rechargeable and this is also white. You have different color options here as well, and there are different sizes available, shapes and sizes available. The one we have got is Q172. Again, the features are very similar to the other lamp, and the packaging is also very similar. I'll just quickly open it and show it to you. So this one also comes with a charging cable, and you can see the design of this one is very different. It's actually a pen holder with a lamp. This is perfect for study tables and especially for kids. Here is the logo of the brand, which is again Thunlit. At the back, if you see, there is the switch on and off button, and here is the charging port. So let's try and switch it on. And once you've switched it on, again the controls are very similar to the other one. It's a touch based lamp, and again in this one also you can control the intensity of the LED by a long touch, and dim, and when you want it bright, they are very bright. I really love this feature. This is so cool. This particular lamp is more suitable for the study table. You can put it on your study table like this. You can put it on your office table like this, and then you can store your pens and your stationery here, and it also becomes your lamp. So these are the two lamps that we had for review today, guys. I think both of them are very unique and very lovely. The quality is very good. You can certainly buy them from the Thunlit website, and I'm sure you will enjoy these products. I hope you liked the video. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you so much.